Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, you will search about Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Here, if you find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.